As of November 1, 2012, there'll be a new standard short sale program for mortgage servicers of Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac loans. The intention of the new rules and guidelines is to align and consolidate numerous existing short sale programs into one standard program, and to enable servicers to quickly and easily qualify eligible borrowers and approve offers for short sales. Banks and mortgage companies that service private loans, representing about 35% of all short sale transactions, can continue to set their own short sale rules. But over time, these new rules are likely to be adopted and used by most lenders. This new short sale program finally debunks the inaccurate statement that short sale flipping is mortgage fraud. Remember back in April 2010 when an employee of Freddie Mac made the statement that short sale flipping was mortgage fraud? Shortly afterwards, a lobbyist for the Distressed Property Coalition met with the general counsel of Freddie Mac to discuss this statement. And as a result of that meeting, Freddie Mac's general counsel's office conceded in writing that flipping was not mortgage fraud. Under these new rules, there is no confusion. Buyers are allowed to resell a short sale. The buyer must wait 31 days, and from day 31 to 90, the resale price cannot exceed 120% of the original purchase price without an exemption. The new program finally acknowledged that there is a difference between the value of a distressed property and a comparable non-short sale property. It embraces the reality that resales and investor solutions are necessary for a real housing recovery. Change was necessary. HOPA had not worked as planned. Notwithstanding the challenges with existing short sale rules and policies, we have the experience of closing all of the short sales that we contracted and negotiated. And now we have access to the same playbook that the banks and servicers will use when they process a short sale. This means we can set up, plan, and structure short sales for different seller situations to expedite approvals and closings. And now you can easily learn the new rules. You can actually plan for success, and you can be better prepared to help homeowners. Here's a short list of some important changes that servicers must follow. Servicers must respond to short sales within 30 days of receipt of an offer, and therefore every short sale should start with an offer. If the homeowner is 31 days or more delinquent, the servicer will use a more liberal valuation model as opposed to an interior BPO. Distant employment transfer, including permanent change of station greater than 50 miles, is now an eligible hardship. The seller can be approved for a short sale without verifying the hardship or obtaining a complete document package if the borrower is 90 or more days delinquent and the borrower has a credit score below 620. The servicer must evaluate a borrower who is delinquent for a cash contribution if the borrower has assets greater than $10,000 or 6 times the monthly mortgage loan payment. And the servicer must evaluate a borrower for a promissory note if the borrower's future debt-to-income ratio is less than 55%. Under the new rules, servicers must respond to a short sale with an offer in 30 days. They have new guidelines for a more liberal valuation model, and a final approval can be issued within 60 days. At the Short Sale Institute, you have insider knowledge of the servicer's playbook, enabling you to plan for different seller situations. And you have the opportunity to start each short sale with a buyer with knowledge that servicers have more flexibility to approve offers, enabling your short sale listings to be completed faster.